Hello everyone, if you are looking for a step-by-step process to get massive paid ad results, then you are at the right place. My name is Kumar Singh. I'm a web designer and developer who help aestheticians to grow their business, whether it is by designing their website or running the marketing campaigns for them, whether it is Meta ads, Google ads, and all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to get massive paid ad results, even with a small budget. Because there are many business owners who just starting, then you are not ready to invest a huge amount of budget in paid ads. So I will make it in balance that if you will spend a little bit of budget as well, then also you will get the result. So the first step is you need to define one clear goal, which means that before doing anything you need to make sure that what your goal is from running the paid ads, whether it is engagement, leads, calls, etc. So you need to make sure that you are clear on your goal, that what you want. Now let's talk about the second step, which is know your audience, which means that you need to have a clear clear picture of what your target audience look like whether they are female, they are male, or what is their age group, where they belong to, where they hang out, whether they are active on social, they are active on email. So you need to make sure that. And now let's talk about the third point, which is create a magnet offer, which means that you need to add something like 50% off if you will sign up for this statement today, and also 20% off, or money back guarantee on this one. If you will add these things on the ad copy, then it will make more sense, and this is what we call magnetic offer. Now let's talk about the fourth point, which is create a scroll stopping creative, which means that there are three creatives which is being used in today's era. The first one is image, the second one is videos, and the third one is text. So the best creative which works perfectly fine is carousel. Let's suppose if you add two or three images of your treatment, and also before after works as well. So you need to make sure that you are adding the creative which makes sense. Like once any customer will see your creative, they will know that what they are doing and what it is about. And also I have told you already that you need to make a magnetic offer which will make them sign up for your offer when they see your ad. Now let's talk about the next point, which is launch with a simple campaign structure. So if you are starting out, I will suggest that create one campaign, and within that campaign you need to create three ad sets, and you can test the ad set on after 3 days, that which ad set is working good. And also um, you can change the prices, also the creative, and you can check that which title is working good, which creative is working good. And let's suppose if you find one ad set which has a low cost per click and also performing good, you don't need to do anything in that one. You need to create a copy of that ad campaign and then create a new one, and as many as you want. But you should never touch the campaign which is working good on the first go, when you have tried it, A/B testing or maybe ABC testing. Now let's talk about the second last point, which is track and optimize after 3 days. As I have told you already, that you need to track that how much budget you have spent on a specific ad campaign, and also ad set, and how much leads you have got, how much conversion you have got, and what is the cost per click or cost per customer on every ad set. So you need to make sure that as well. And 3 days is a sweet spot when you can track and optimize after every 3 days. uh, now here is the last point, which is scale what's working. So in that case you need to as I have told you already, that you don't need to touch your ad set which is working perfectly good. You need to make a copy of that ad set and create a new ad, and you can copy as many numbers as you want, but you should never touch the ad set which is working good. So this was all about this video of step by step process. If you want a full tutorial, or you can say a full course on paid ads, then you can just comment down to this video and I would love to create a full-fledged video on paid ads. This was all about this video. Thanks and bye for now.